all, welcome back to my channel. Did you ever wonder how nice it would be if you could write with a pen in the air? So your wish has come true. Introducing the new itouch 3D pen. This is by WOL company. It is the largest 3D brand in India. And the best thing about this pen is it is made in India. So you love it. Now let's start unboxing it. Very good package. I ordered it in Amazon. Slightly costly, but you'll have fun. It is 1799 rupees. Okay. You should open it like this paper. How to use the 3D pen. And here are some models you can make with your 3D pen. Now, first you will need this. This is something like glass on which you can put your 3D papers. In this cards, you will have some sample pictures. So you can make them with your 3D pen and touch them with your hand. Like this you have to keep and draw. You can easily remove it then. Okay, now what's next? A cleaning cloth and the main object. Our 3D pen. It's slightly big but lightweight and nice. And this is the stand for keeping your 3D pen. Next thing is the USB cable to power your pen. And this is the USB adapter. Now, if you remove it like this, you get 3 colored filaments. These are PVC filaments. So, I have taken the black PVC filament and we are going to try and make a bicycle. You have to have this because you are going to keep it on the paper, draw it and touch it with your hands. First, plug in the charger, take out your pen, then press this button. You will see that a red light starts coming. We'll wait for some time. When the light turns blue, then we can start using it. Then we should put our filament through this hole. Don't forget that when you are using your PVC filament, always keep this button at low. See, you can see that this has turned blue. So we can start using it. Take your filament. First, be ready to press this button. See, your filament starts going in. The filament will come out. Till that time, we'll be ready. Okay. If you want to pause the drawing, just your finger from this button. You must wait for some time. The filament is loading. Press this button so the filament starts going in. It's coming out. You can see it's starting to come in black color. At first you will also not be good, but after practice you will get it. Now I am trying to make an umbrella and I will show you how to load and unload a filament. So I have finished my upper part of the umbrella. Now I want to make the stick for the umbrella. For that I will need another color. So let's see how to unload a filament. You can see here is the power button. Press the power button for some time. And after some time you can leave it. The filament will come out on its own. It will take some time. Look, it's coming out. Yeah, it came out. See, blue color. For loading the filament, take your filament. I'm choosing black color. Press the load button. Look, it's coming. First it will come yellow, but it will change to the black color soon. If you want to make the stick, make it big and strong. Fill in the inside. So now I am making the umbrella stick. If you want to increase the speed, you should press this button. I have finished my umbrella stick. My umbrella and stick. I'll need the scissors to cut and smoothen the edges. Now I am going to attach the stick to the umbrella. I have attached it properly. So here we have our umbrella. It's not very good, but with practice you will develop the skill of writing with a 3D pen. It's nice. I made a cycle and some small drawing ring and circle. I think you will love it using this pen, and even in this box it's written that you can use your creativity, the sky is the limit. So have fun making 3D drawings.